Hey, Munchie Mafia. We are breaking down some chickens and getting ready to put them into the smoker. So, let's talk about chicken anatomy. When you're breaking down a chicken, um, it makes it so much easier if you can feel along the areas where you're going to cut. We're going to actually be spatchcocking this one. So, you feel in the back and you'll be able to notice that the spine is right there. And if it still has part of the neck still attached, it makes it a little easier. That kind of looks a little disgusting. But so we're going to draw our knife down on both sides, just like so. And just reach in there and try to release that backbone area from the neck. There we go. Now, kitchen scissors is the easiest way to do this. You just grab the neck right there. Split that. All right. And you're going to just basically cut it right down the ribs and just follow it along, just like so. Kitchen scissors are a wonderful tool to have. I strongly recommend getting yourself a really nice set. When I say a really nice set, get like ones off of Dalstrong or Mercer, or these ones are by KitchenAid. Okay, now when it comes to the other parts of the chicken, what do you do with this? There's really not much to do with this other than stick it in a baggie, because when you go to make some chicken stock, you can always just pull out your baggie full of stuff and make a nice stock. And sometimes I'll save those up for quite a while. Now, cut the tips off of the chicken wings, and what you do is just put a little niche in the area where there's a V. When you bend it, you just feel around and you can feel where the joint is, and you just put a little thing in there with your knife and then just go whip. And that can also go into your stock. I don't like the wing tips, so there we have that. All right, now we've got a spatchcock chicken. Now, one of the other things you could do is just go in and just kind of free this apart by just sticking your hands on both sides. Just be very careful with the ribs and just wait until you hear a snap. Just like so. And what this does is it helps to lay out the chicken so it lays flat, and it actually reduces the cooking time by about half hour. Also, the other thing is it exposes the rib side and the breastplate area to the smoke when you go to smoke it. Now, you can also go in and trim off any of this unnecessary fat, but don't trim off the skin part, because that skin is money. That's where all the flavor is. And so that's how you spatchcock a chicken. Thanks for coming.
Well, Munchie Mafia, it is that time. We really hate saying goodbye, so let's just say a fond good night, or even a sad little toodaloo. Perhaps even a till next time, maybe even a ta-ta for now. We'll be here or on off-topic squirrel, because Poochie needs love too. Been really fun with all our friends, no matter if you're old or you're new. before you let that door slam behind you, fondle that like button lovingly and go back to your life as it were before you hit that play button on YouTube. If you haven't yet subscribed to Munchie Mafia Official, now is that time, what's stopping you? Thanks for coming. Please remember, as you are in your very own kitchen and cooking for your family, community, and friends, to always cook with love and always eat with passion, unless it has Twizzlers in it. Whoever suggested that is going to hell. As Chef Stevie says, stir up some magic, whiskey and a little mischief, bakey bake a little mystery with the spinning wheel of misfortune. We really hate saying goodbye, so let's just say a fond good night, or even a sad little toodaloo. Perhaps even until next time, maybe even a ta-ta for now. We'll be here or on Off Topic Squirrel, because Bucci needs love too.